In Celebration, Florida, where homes often reflect charm, elegance, and a touch of modern luxury, your entry door does far more than simply provide access. It sets the tone for your entire property. A thoughtfully chosen, stylish entry door can transform your residence, boosting curb appeal, enhancing comfort, and creating a welcoming first impression for guests. If your current door feels outdated, exploring today's design options can help you reimagine your entryway. The power of a stylish entry door. Your entry door is the focal point of your home's exterior. In Celebration neighborhoods, where curb appeal matters, the right door makes a dramatic difference. First impressions count. Visitors notice your front door before anything else. Home value boost. A stylish, modern entry door can increase resale value. Daily enjoyment. Each time you arrive home, your entryway should make you feel proud. Replacing a worn or generic door with a stylish new design instantly elevates your home's personality. Classic elegance with paneled doors. Traditional paneled doors remain timeless for Celebration residences. Raised or recessed panels provide depth and sophistication. Solid wood options bring warmth and craftsmanship to your entry. Custom finishes. From rich stains to bold paints, you can match your home's style. For colonial or Mediterranean-inspired homes, paneled doors balance elegance with durability. Modern minimalist designs. If your home leans toward contemporary style, minimalist entry doors are an excellent choice. Sleek fiberglass or steel offer clean lines and durability. Horizontal or vertical glass inserts let in light without sacrificing privacy. Neutral tones or bold colors. Options like matte black, charcoal, or vibrant red make a strong statement. These modern designs add sophistication and a fresh, updated feel to your home's exterior. Doors with decorative glass accents can turn an entry door into a showpiece. Frosted or etched glass adds elegance while maintaining privacy. Stained or leaded glass brings artistry and a splash of color to your entryway. Side lights and transoms. Extra glass around the door creates grandeur and brightens interiors. For Celebration homes, decorative glass doors blend beauty with functionality, letting Florida sunlight flow inside. Rustic charm with farmhouse-inspired doors. For homeowners who love a cozy, welcoming vibe, farmhouse-style doors are a perfect match. Dutch doors. Split horizontally, offering function and charm. Wood look fiberglass combines rustic appeal with low maintenance. Simple accents. Black wrought iron hardware complements this classic style. This design works beautifully in neighborhoods where casual elegance meets tradition. Arched and custom-shaped Celebration's diverse architecture gives you the freedom to choose unique shapes. Arched tops. Perfect for Mediterranean or European-inspired homes. Double doors. Create a dramatic, upscale entryway. Custom dimensions. Tailored doors ensure a one-of-a-kind look. These specialty designs add architectural interest and make your home stand out. More than just style, comfort and efficiency. While looks matter, today's stylish doors also bring practical benefits. Energy efficiency. Insulated cores and advanced weather stripping keep your home cool during Florida's hot summers. Durability. Fiberglass and steel doors resist warping, cracking, and fading in Celebration's humid climate. Security. Reinforced frames and high-quality locks protect your family. A beautiful entry door should also be built to last, giving you both style and peace of mind. Final thoughts for Celebration homeowners. Replacing your entry door is one of the simplest yet most transformative upgrades you can make. Whether you prefer the classic elegance of paneled designs, the sleek lines of modern minimalism, the artistry of decorative glass, or the charm of farmhouse styles, there's an option to perfectly match your home's architecture. With the right stylish entry door design, you'll enjoy enhanced curb appeal, improved comfort, and a front entry that truly reflects your personality. In Celebration's picturesque neighborhoods, your home deserves an entryway that stands out.